I'm sure you probably use a payment app, PayPal, Cash App, those things. You've just seen the other day Venmo announced that this can be interoperable with PayPal. So if I have PayPal and you have Venmo, I'll be able to send you money and vice versa. That's the first time that's happened. Very similar to when the internet came out, like to send you an email, if you had AOL, I had to have AOL. And then they came out with the email protocol. And now it doesn't matter what email you have. Everybody's able to send everybody an email. That's exactly what's going to happen with these payment apps and all of the other siloed parties that send transactions globally. So they'll all be able to settle value real time. The other thing that you get on a payment app is when somebody sends you money, you get two options. You can send it to your bank account for free and it'll take 2 or 3 days, or you can have it instantly for a fee and they pre-fund the account. When they move over to blockchain, it'll be instant for free. So that's the benefit there, is they're able to move a lot more volume. And even if they just reduce the fee like down to $1, the margins that they're making are going to be exponentially greater. And everybody's going to do it because it's faster and cheaper than it was before, right? And the volume of payments will pick up. Like imagine, you may have been around for traditional mail when that was the big thing before email. If you were really getting it back in the day, you're probably sending like 10 or 15 letters a week, maybe 20. How many emails do you get a day? Hundreds. So that's how payments are going to work too. When they remove friction and the latency, people are going to be sending a lot more money, smaller amounts of money, but a lot more. And if they're charging $1 with 90% margins on each one of those transactions instead of, $15 or $20 or whatever it is now to be able to settle that money real time, a lot of people are like, I'll just wait, the volume is actually going to make up for the difference, and they're going to make much greater margins because it won't cost them as much to be able to actually do what they're doing now. So that's really the use case for XRP. This is a global decentralized ledger that everybody will use and settle value through XRP. And for that to happen, XRP is going to be a very high price to be able to provide liquidity for all of those transactions.